Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. Now, let's get back to our English class. Today, we are going to learn the sound of vowel U, that is a. So, let's start. Open your English book. Come on page number 13. Write the date 10th August 2021. Let's start chapter 6. Sound sound, of vowel vowel u, sound of vowel u. Let's read some word to help us understand better. Our first word is nurse, nurse, purse, drum, duck, duck, tube, tube, cube, juice, bush. Let's read some more words. but, cut, hut, nut, pull, bull, full, blue, clue, glue, suck, luck, gun, bun, run, fun, mug, jug, rug, could, could. This will be could, not could, because L will be silent here. Then would, would, not would. should, should, not should. Then cube and tube. For today, you only have to read these words. Thank you and take care.